Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to allow people to follow you on Reddit, you've come to the right place. So first of all, you need to go to your Reddit, and here you need to go to your settings. So just simply click on your account icon in the top right corner, and here you can see settings. So now you can see different options here, and you need to click on privacy. And you can see allow people to follow you on Reddit. So you just simply can choose you want to people have an opportunity to follow you or not. So just simply you can just turn it off or turn it on. I prefer to leave this option on. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.